Hello, so today I changed the rear shock on the Skeeter ZX190. When you lift it up, these shocks wear out over time. If it's always falling down, replace it. This is a 10x40 for the 2006 Skeeter ZX190. Here's the old shock. The one you're going to be looking for is a 10x40 40-pound. Found mine on Amazon. It's a tailor-made gas shock. Pretty simple to install. Here's the old one. When you're installing them, all you do is just lift up on this clip. When you're installing them, all you do is pull back on this clip and they'll pop right off. Just thought this might help someone out when they're looking for their rear deck gas shock. It's a 10x40 on the Skeeter ZX190.